Guys, I just earned $1.5 from this platform within just 1 minute to 2 minutes. Yes, I'm being sincere. So this is my dashboard. You can see this. I just earned 150 points, which is equivalent to $1.5. So this website is going to pay you $1 per survey. Yes, $1 per survey. Just giving your opinion about a product or services. So imagine answering a few simple questions online and getting $1 per one survey. Let me show you how fast it adds up. This app is called Responesta, and yes, they actually pay $1 for one survey. It may be small, but if you complete 10 survey, that is $10 straight to your account. So if you are using your time scrolling for free, why not scroll and earn on this website? Stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can sign up, how you can create your account, how you can withdraw your money from this website and start making money. So guys, if today is your first time coming across this channel, hi, my name is Abigail. On this channel, I share tips and strategies on how you can make money online and in the physical space. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Also share this video with your loved ones. So this website is called Responesta. So you come to responesta.com, then you can see earn money by taking survey. So you can actually withdraw your earning either through paper account, bank card, or through donation. So now you can see, let's see how this website works. So number one is that you first of all register. Once you complete your registration, then you can get a survey via email, telegram, or online right here. So then after then you can actually get paid $2 per every survey, but averagely I think is $1 per survey. So now as soon as you have, you can see as soon as you have $10, you can withdraw your money from this account. Do you get? So that means you must have minimum of $10 from this account before you can withdraw. So for me to sign up, I need to click on create an account. So I can sign up with my Google account. So but if you want to use your email, all you need to do is to put your email and your password. But I'm not doing that. I'm signing up with my Google account. So once I will click on Google, then I'm going to enter my email address. So I'll click on continue. So now you can see that I have a survey here, and this survey is going to give me 50 points. So 100 points is equivalent to $1. So I'm going to answer this survey. What is your gender name, which is female? My date of birth, I need to enter it. So I'm going to fast forward this. I'm going to skip it. It does not, in fact, it's not even up to 1 minute that I finished this survey and I was able to earn $1. So it's just normal question. Then another tips I'm going to give you for this survey is that when you are choosing your answer, make sure you position yourself as an high income earner. It's very, very important so that you get qualified for the survey. Okay, so immediately I finished the survey, you can see I was rewarded with 50 points just instantly. So now they have given me another survey to do, and I'll just click on start survey. Within few minutes, I was able to complete this survey. It's just simple question. This is the one I just earned right now. So let me just do the second survey. I'm going to skip it. So that is how to answer survey question. It's not hard. So after answering all these questions that was being asked, I will show you how to withdraw your earning. You can see all these questions. It does not take you 1 minute, so I will just skip this. Do you get? I will just skip it. Then you can see that I've earned 100 points. So immediately I finish this. So let me just skip it. You can see for now I don't have any more surveys. So all I need to do is to subscribe to their Telegram channel so that you can get an update of their survey. So you can see here, just click on Telegram site, and I'm going to join. So I've joined like that. So time to time they will be sending me link to the survey site. Okay, you can see this. So the next is I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this earning from this website. All right, so you can see from here, these are my transactions. So to withdraw your earning from this website, what you need to do is to come down to this menu icon, then you click on profile. So okay, I'll click on profile. So you can see my profile here. I'm going to click on redeem. So So that means I just earn $1.5. You can see, guys, I just earned $1.5 from this website within how many minutes? It's not even up to 2 minutes. You can see. So 150 points is equivalent to $1.5, while 100 points is equivalent to $1. So that is how to. So all I need to do is to put my PayPal email address on this website. Then I can withdraw my earning. Okay, to my people in Nigeria, I'm very sure you will still be asking me, how can I withdraw my payment? The truth of the matter is that if you want to earn online, you need to create a PayPal account or Payoneer. There are other ways you can of payments you can actually create, but this particular website has set PayPal account. So what you need to do is to create an account from Nigeria, PayPal account from Nigeria, and I have video on how you can create PayPal account from Nigeria. Just check my description box or check the link here. You can create your PayPal account without any stress. Just put your PayPal email here. It will easily you can withdraw your payments. Another thing is that some people will still come under the comment section and tell me that I said with proof, but I did not withdraw any. I can't withdraw any because they said that I have to reach up to $10. That is the threshold minimum payment. So that means you have to earn up to $10. I just need to come and show you that this website pays. Do you get? And once immediately you rent $10, you can withdraw from this website. That is just simple as that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure you like this video. Share this video with your people that love making money online. Bye.